In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Axiom Exchange and your early invite code you can use to access this trading platform. So what you want to do first is there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check that out. And if you click on that link, you will get to this website over here and you will get the access to my early invite code. Now over here, you can click on Start Trading, and you will have to enter in your email and the invite code. And my invite code you should use is IHT. So once you use this, you will actually get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So of course, it's worth it. Now, once you type that in, you can just click continue with Google or with Phantom if you want to. And then after you've created your account, if you want to log in ever again, you can simply click login over here, and then you can normally continue without having to put in the code again. You only have to put it in once. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.